Honda Bobber Bar Hopper. For those who lack confidence in their DIY skills, contacting professionals might be the way to go. Custom motorcycle specialists can assemble a personalized vehicle in about 4 weeks, though the prices can soar up to $6,900. An example includes a customized 1983 Honda Kim 450 motorcycle with 23-inch wheels, Tokyo brakes, and a stylish color combination. These specialists can tailor the bike to your preferences from color to tire width, as long as you're willing to pay the price. Honda Zoomer Scooters. Ordinary Honda Zoomer scooters undergo extraordinary transformations in Japan. Custom teams often increase the wheelbase, install aerodynamic pads, and reduce ground clearance. These scooters are popular among both the youth and older crowd, prompting manufacturers to offer ready-made tuning kits, with features like a rare suspension travel of 260mm and 12-inch discs. These scooters are a stylish choice. Nitro Rail Dragster Bicycle. Enter the world of dragster bicycles with the Nitro Rail, touted as the world's first dragster bicycle. Despite being marketed for children, this bike comes with a hefty price tag of $1,000. It boasts a 173cm wheelbase, race car-like Heim connections, disc brakes, and even an optional dog carrier. Perfect for drag racing enthusiasts looking to stand out. Yamaha Majesty Scooter Project. Based on the Yamaha Majesty 250 scooter, this fun project focuses on appearance rather than speed. With a low profile that almost touches the ground, these custom scooters are fully functional and have a unique aesthetic. Yamaha Magzam 250 Illuminated Scooters. For those who crave illumination, these custom scooters are a dazzling sight. These scooters look more impressive than some trucks with vibrant colors and bright lights. Custom trucks designed in a similar style accompany these scooters. Carbon bike. Italian craftsmen have created a carbon bike, a work of art on wheels. With a carbon frame and a choice of electric motors ranging from 250 to 1,000 watts, this bike weighs about 40 kilograms and has a range of 80 kilometers. While the $7,500 price tag may seem steep, the unique design and craftsmanship might make it worth the investment. Tron motorcycle concept. Inspired by the Tron franchise, this concept motorcycle designed by a Czech Republic-based designer combines futuristic elements with Maserati's sleek profile. With gearless wheels, an electric motor, and a low center of gravity, this Tron motorcycle exudes a street racing vibe. While the price remains unknown, its stunning design is sure to turn heads. Batman Batpod. Inspired by Nolan's Batman trilogy, this Dark Knight motorcycle is equipped with impressive features such as 18-inch discs with 36cm wide tires, a tailor-made transmission, and even weapon imitations. However, with a price tag of $75,000, it's a luxury reserved for those with deep pockets. Super Dragon 60 scooter. The Super Dragon 60 scooter is a striking example of scooter tuning, featuring Swarovski diamonds, a plush furry seat, and 12 exhaust pipes. Opinions on this scooter are divided, with some praising its cool and awesome appearance, while others find it too ridiculous, expensive, and not very dragon-like. No, 8-Ippon Yamaha Dragstar 400 base bike. Based on the Yamaha Dragstar 400 motorcycle, this custom model from No 8-Ippon features improved air suspension, spinner discs, and a monitor. With an original engine producing about 30 horsepower, this bike can reach speeds of 120 to 140 kilometers per hour. Brave Raideen Hibiki Cow Sparker. Inspired by the anime Brave Raideen, this motorcycle project brings together demons, robots, and a high school soccer team with a mission to save the planet. The anime, dating back to the 70s, continues to inspire masterpieces like this customized motorcycle. These unique and customized bikes showcase the creativity and craftsmanship of builders worldwide, from homemade creations to professionally customized motorcycles. Superyacht. Luxury inspired by black holes, whoosh and power design, an Indian studio presents the Zion Superyacht, a 110-meter vessel drawing inspiration from black holes. Priced at an estimated $500 million, this Superyacht promises opulence with accommodations for 20 guests and 20 crew members. From a glass-bottom swimming pool to a helipad, the Zion Superyacht redefines luxury on the high seas.